The plasma membrane, which is a barrier that encloses the cell and separates it from the external environment, functions to allow oxygen, nutrients, and waste to enter in and out of the cell. As a cell grows larger, the volume of the cell increases at a much faster rate than the surface area. This causes the ratio between the surface area and volume to decline, affecting the speed at which substances cross the membrane and service the cell. Consequently, cells are small and have a high surface to volume ratio. The cell membrane is structured as a phospholipid bilayer that has proteins embedded in it. In the bilayer, hydrophobic phospholipid tails face inward, along with regions of membrane proteins that are also hydrophobic. The phospholipid heads, however, are positioned in a manner that allows them to have contact with water solutions that are on the inside and on the outside of the cell. On a side note, proteins that have hydrophilic regions are positioned similarly. Carbohydrate side chains are attached to proteins and lipids found on the plasma membrane surface. Represented by the fluid mosaic model, plasma membranes are fluid, in which phospholipids move laterally within a membrane at a rapid pace. Conversely, proteins, which are attached to the cytoskeleton, drift slowly. Cholesterol helps keep the membrane fluid. Membrane proteins, which are dispersed throughout the cell membrane, include integral proteins and peripheral proteins. Integral proteins appear to have an alpha helical structure and go through the hydrophobic part of the lipid bilayer. Peripheral proteins are bound loosely to the membrane surface.